of Mathematics 2. Chapter is Vector Calculus and our topic is Fundamental Theorem of Line Integral. First of all, we see about the definition of the fundamental theorem of line integral. Let C is a smooth curve given by r bar t 0 less than equal to t less than 1, where value of t between 0 to 1 and f is a function whose gradient vector, that is nabla f, is continuous on C. So over C path del nabla f bar into dr bar equal to integration over C path f bar into dr bar equal to, we are write as a f of rb minus ra. Some important definitions. Suppose that f is a continuous vector field in some domain D. So if it is continuous vector field in domain D, so one is f bar is conservative vector field. There is function f such that f bar equal to del f, where f is a called potential function on the vector field. Second is integration over C f into dr is independent of path, where integration of C1 f bar into dr bar equal to integration of C2 f bar into dr bar. For two paths C1 and C2 are same initial and end points. Okay. A region D is open if it does not contain any type of the boundary point. And if region D is connected, we can connect any 2 points in the region with the path of the lies complete in D. A region D is simply connected if it is connected and it is contains no hole. Okay. Some of the theorems. Integration f bar into dr bar or integration C nabla f into dr bar independent of path if f bar xyz p of xyz I caret q of xyz j caret r xyz k caret is a gradient of some function f in D. So we say that it is f bar equal to nabla f. If f bar is a conservative vector, so integration over C path f bar into dr bar is independent of path, where C1, C2 same initial and end points. F bar is continuous vector field on the open connected region D. So C integration of over C f bar into dr bar is independent of the path, then f is conservative vector field if there exists function f such that del f by del f bar. If integration over C f bar into dr bar is independent of the path, if and only if integration over C f bar into dr bar equal to 0 for the closed path. Okay, so that means we say that there is an integration is independent from the path if and only if when it is equal to 0 for the closed path over C. F of xy equal to f bar xy equal to p of xy j caret I caret and q of xy j caret is conservative vector field where p of xy and q of xy have continuous first order partial derivative. dp by dy and dq by dx thought the domains. F bar xy p xy I caret q xy j caret be a vector field and open simply connected region D if del p by del y equal to del q by del x, then f bar is conservative vector field. So this is the theorem statement which are we used in the examples to understand the curve and understand the equations. Note, for two dimension, to show vector field is conservative, f bar xy equal to p of xy I caret plus q of xy j caret is conservative just so that del p by del y equal to del q by del x, and find scalar potential f for f such that f bar equal to del f bar. Nabla f. For three dimension, to show vector field is conservative, that means f bar xyz equal to p of xyz I caret and q of xyz j caret and r xyz k caret is conservative, just show that curl of f bar equal to 0. To prove these things are conservative, we have to show that curl f bar equal to 0. That means curl of f is 0 To find the scalar potential F, find F such that equal to F bar equal to del F bar. That means we have the two type of the formula for the 2 dimension and 3 dimension. For the 3 dimension, we have to prove curl F equal to 0 to prove that conservative field. Example. See, determine the whether the vector field f bar xy equal to 4 plus 2xy I caret plus x square minus 2y square j caret is conservative. See, it is 2-dimension field. Okay. Find potential function if f it is conservative. We have to prove this function. This is if it is conservative. So we have to find the potential function if and only if this is conservative. So what is steps? First of all, we are taking P. What is P here? P is 4 plus 2xy and Q is x square minus 2y square. We are taking del P by del y equal to 2x and del Q by del x equal to 2x. It is equally because this is the partial derivative, first order partial derivative of the function. In theorem, we see that we have a necessary condition for del P by del y equal to del Q by del x. Since domain of f bar is entire plane which is open and simply connected, f bar is conservative. To prove this f bar is conservative, there is a here f bar is conservative, there exists potential function f with del f equal to f bar. What is del f by del x? It is 4 plus 2xy. Del f by del y is x square minus 2y square. Integrating this first function with respect to x, we get 4x plus x square y plus g of y, where g of y is constant. From 3, we get del f by del y, it is x square and g dash y. That means we are differentiate this function with respect to y, we get x square g dash y equal, it is our equation 4. Comparing 2 and 4, we get g dash y equal to minus 2y square. Integrating with respect to y, we get g of y equal to minus 2 by 3 y cube plus c, where c is the integration constant. Substituting the value of gy in the equation 3, we get f of xy equal to 4x plus x square y minus 2 upon 3 y cube plus c, which is desired potential function. Again, see what we do. First step, find P of xy and Q of xy from the 2-dimension vector field. Taking del P by del y and del Q by del x, it is a necessary condition from the theorem 2x and 2x. So it is equally. Since the domain of f bar is entire plane which is open and simply connected, f bar is conservative. We satisfy the condition of the theorem. Now f bar is conservative, there exists potential function. To find the potential function, we find del f by equal to f bar. What is del f by del x? It is 4 plus 2xy and del f by del y is x square minus 2y square. This is our equation number 1 and 2. Now we are integrating this equation with respect to x. We get 4x plus x square y equal to g of y, where g of y is the arbitrary constant of the integration. Now integrate this equation with respect, differentiate this equation with respect to y, we get x square plus g dash y. Comparing 2 and 4, we get value of g dash y, it is minus 2y square, and integrating this with respect to y, we get minus 2 by 3 y cube plus c. Put the value in the equation 3, we get the function, potential function of this 2-dimension vector field. Next example is a 3-dimension. If f bar equal to 2x plus yz I caret plus x square j caret plus 3xz square k caret, show that over integration path c f bar into dr bar is independent of the path of the integration. Hence, evaluate the integral when c is the path joining from the a to b. First, To find independent of the path of the integration, we have to prove the conservative field. To prove conservative field in 3 dimension, we are taking curl of f equal to 0. So what is curl of f? Is nabla f I caret, j caret, k caret, del by del x, del by del y, del by del z. 2x plus y z cube x square 3x z square. Find this determinant, we getting 0. Okay, so we see that this vector field is independent of from the path. So f bar is conservative vector field such that nabla f. Now nabla f, we say that del f by del x I caret, del f by del y j caret, del f by del z k caret. So it is our del f by del x, del f by del y, del f by del z, and it is our equation number 1, 2 and 3. Now we are integrate this equation with respect to x. So we get x square y xz cube plus g of yz, where g of yz is a integration constant, arbitrary constant. This is our equation number 4. Differentiate equation 4 with respect to y, we get del f by del y x square plus del y g of yz. Okay. Now to find the value of this, we are comparing with this, it is equation number 2. So what we get? We get g of yz equal to 0. Now integrating this, we get h of z, and this is our equation 5. Put this value in equation number 4 and differentiate with respect to z. So we get del f by del z 3z x plus h of h dash z. What is equation 2 and 3 and 4? Equation 2 say that del f by del y equal to x square. So it is equation 2. Del f by del y equal to x square. What is equation 4? Equation 4 is x square y xz cube g of yz. F equal to xy square xz cube plus g of yz. Okay. X square y xz cube, x square y xz cube g of yz. This is our equation number. Now what is equation 3? Equation 3 is 3xz square okay. So now see this, comparing with the 2, we get it is 0, and we are integrate this equation with respect to y, we get h of yz equal to hz. There is our equation 5. Now this is putting the value in equation 4. Equation 4, that means we are putting the g of yz equal to h of z. Okay, so what we do in f equal to x square y plus xz cube plus h of z, and also we say that there is a differentiate with respect to z. So what we get? Del f by del z equal to, it is 0 plus z square x, okay, plus h z. This is, now we are comparing this with the equation 3. If we are comparing with this equation 3, we get h dash z equal to 0. See, C is the same for value, so we get h dash z equal to 0. Integrating h dash z equal to 0 with respect to z, we get h dash z equal to c because of constant. So from 5, equation 4 becomes this type of the formation, x square y as it is, xz cube, and the value of g of yz is c. Now we have to find the value from the a to b. We are taking del f by integration f bar into dr by equal to integration over path c del f into dr. What is df? df is f, a to b. Value of a to b, what is the x square y plus xz cube? Function is x square y xz cube, and value is 1 minus 2 1 2 3 1 4. Put the value of the in this equation, upper limit minus lower limit, we getting answer as a 2 0 2. Okay, so this is our example of the 3 dimension. Show the line integral. Integration C f bar into dr equal to integration C 2x dx plus 2y dy plus 8z dz is independent path in any domain in space, and find its value of C as the initial value 0 0. Terminate point 2 2 2. Now hint is f bar equal to 2xi 2yj caret 8zk caret. What is r bar t? Ti caret, tj caret, tk caret. Okay, and value of t is 0 to 2 because initial point is 0 and terminate point is 2. Now what is r dash? It is I caret, j caret and k caret. So f into dr is 12 dt. F into dry is 12 t. Okay, because it is f bar and it is r bar. Okay, f bar dr, we are putting value f bar into dr, it is 12t, 0 to 2 integration 12t dt. 12t square, putting the value of this, we get 12t square by 2, 0 to 2, 12, 4 by 2 minus 0, and it is 24. Okay, so this is the third example to show the line integral. Here our topic is fundamental of theorem of the line integral is completed. Thank you. If any query, ask in the lecture.